Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Steve Biko, and today I would like to take you through the process of registering an email through our cPanel. So our hostname is Brayson's Hosts, and our domain is braysons.co.ke, or you can also use braysons.net. Welcome. Let's start the process. So we start with logging into our client area. That's if you want to log through the client area. Then you insert your email and your password. From there, you can now proceed to logging in. Then you can see the service area in your dashboard. You'll click on the service. In that case, you could see I have 7 services, but the specific service I want to target is the tendeza.co.ke. That's why I want to create an email to exhibit how it is done. After that, on the left side, you can click on the cPanel login. That's how you can directly log in from your client area to cPanel without a password. Then now you click on the email accounts under the email section. Then from there, you are good to create an email by simply clicking on the create button, and there is an auto URL which is the tendeza.co.ke, which is already provided. So what you'll be adding is the actual name that you want to add to your existing domain. In this case, I'll choose Biko. There are 2 options of keying in your password, either by typing it manually or by generating automatically. After that, you are good to go. You can just click the create button and your email will be created. Thank you and see you next time.